In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on subtitles on Disney Plus. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Disney Plus, go ahead and log in, and then you can go ahead and go to whatever movie or TV show you're trying to watch. So let's say, for example, you're trying to watch Toy Story, you're absolutely able to do it. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and pause the film for a little bit. Then you'll notice that we'll get like this whole menu on the bottom. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on the gear icon that says settings. And then over here, you'll get this option that says subtitles, and you're able to go ahead and turn them on. So you're going to press over here to make sure that they're on. And then over here, you guys are able to go ahead and select on which language you would like to subtitle it. So it can be in Spanish, English, etc. So that is all something that you guys are able to go ahead and do. And now, once we have that, you're able to go ahead and begin playing the movie. All right, and then once you have that, then you're able to play the movie and you should get subtitles. And if you want the subtitles to be bigger, you're able to select over here where it says subtitles styling. Then you can change the font a little bit so you can make the text larger. You can even change the color and stuff like that, and even the background. So if you want the subtitles to be more visual, that is where you're also able to go ahead and adjust it. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.